Ito naman yung aking variegated na Rose of Sharon hibiscus. It's also about to flower. Pero kasi this week na-notice ko na bumalik na naman yung mga aphids tsaka mga mealybugs, kaya in-sprayhan ko to just maybe 2 days ago. Kaya yan, namatay na yung mga aphids dyan, pero yung mealybugs andyan dyan pa rin. So if you could take a look at there, my friend is right there. My snail friend is right there. Kasi siya yung tagakain ng mga insekto dyan, mga mealybugs tsaka aphids. But masyadong madami kasi yung mga mealybugs tsaka aphids, kaya hindi nakakaya ng snail. Kasi yung snail, ilan lang sila. But look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Yan daw. Kita mo nga, may mga speckles yung yung flower bud. Mga aphids yan, guys. Is it the, oh, that's not aphids, that's actually spider mites. Look guys, look. They are spider mites. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to get rid of that. Kasi yung spray ko dito parang lang yun sa aphids tsaka mealybugs eh. Pero as you can see, there's still a little bit of activity here. Look at that, guys. Yung malaking pot niya. Ayan. So it has been trying to flower in the past 2 weeks now, pero kasi nga hindi siya healthy, marami siyang mga bugs, kaya yan, it's been struggling to flower. But nag-spray na ako, guys. Nag-spray na ako 2 days ago. Marami na siyang mga marami na siyang mga flower buds. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Yung flower niya parang kagaya lang dun sa isa kong Rose of Sharon. So ayan, guys. Ayan. So itong Rose of Sharon na to, na hibiscus, kukunti lang yung flower buds niya. Kasi talagang nag-struggle talaga itong, specifically itong plant na to. Actually dalawa sila eh. Yun kasi nag-struggle din. Yan. So ito, nag-struggle din siya kasi na-defoliate siya. So ayan, as you can see, yan ang bulaklak niya. It's hiding, but it's pretty. Look guys, look. Yan o, mealybugs. Even a few days after ko mag-spray, yan o, even a few days after ko mag-spray ay buhay na buhay at matataba pa rin yung mga mealybugs na yan o. Peste talaga ito sa garden ko itong mga to eh. I just could never get rid of them. So ayan, guys. Ayan o, dami siyang konti lang, hindi naman ganun kadami, pero it has flower buds at least. So ayan, so pretty.